Ben, I want to ask you this one, and then we can kind of talk about where things are headed. But how do you typically, what's your cadence like, Ben? Once you set up a policy, are you just running off and you're never going to hear from Brian ever again? Brian, you kind of going to call Ben and he won't pick up? I'm guessing probably not, right? So describe
Yeah.
your relationship that you have ongoing with your clients, and specifically with Brian. Where do you see things going in the months and years ahead?
Yeah, sure. Well, right now, Brian and I are we're looking at those milestones. So that's really exciting. And I hear clients often express that concern, right? Like, are you just going to issue me a policy and then I'm never going to hear from you again? Is it once a year? Even once a year, I barely hear from my financial advisor. So this is big stuff. This is your financial life, not just hopefully for your own personal self, but for your family, hopefully for generations down the road. So there's a lot of concern that people have, is like, is this person just going to love me and leave me kind of deal, So thankfully, Mark, I've worked with you for 10 some years probably, and we meet every 6 months as kind of like a client, agent relationship. And that's something that I've taken from you, I think from the whole Bank on Yourself organization as a whole. This is a group of people that I've come into, kind of a community, right? A culture where it's very intentional about taking care of people, right? So that's something that I also bring to, my relationship with Brian, just the clients, is that as we're working on projects, we're working very close together. Okay. So we're getting policies set up. We're looking at goals. We're looking at concerns. We're putting plans into place, right? So that they feel very good. They feel educated about what they need to do. But then it just doesn't stop there. So every 6 months, at least every 6 months, we're meeting, we're kind of getting updates. Where are things at now? What's changed? All that kind of stuff, so that we can continue to kind of move with life. Life doesn't just stop once you get your insurance policy and everything is smooth sailing. No, it's you got the ups and downs of life. So we continue to meet